My name is Arkray and my presentation topic is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, how far it is correct. So first of all, I tell about something Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, that Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a very best tribute that our owner Prime Minister gave us on 2nd October 1914 in Rajpath, New Delhi. The main point of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is to make country clean on 2nd October 2019, and as we see that it is going on the way. We are in 2024 and we have lots of cities which is very key. As we see our Varanasi city, that in our ghats there is always work of cleaning is done. As we all know that our streets also be swept at 6 days in a week except Sunday. And after coming that abhiyan, we also criticize to throw any type of garbage into the road. We also find dustbin and throw the garbage into it. And as we all know, after coming this abhiyan, the lack of health disease also decreases, because if many more garbage, just imagine if a garbage contain other on a side of road is more, then how much bacteria and fungi develop in them. And if a child or if a old age people gone from there, then how much they affect to us. And after seeing that in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, our Prime Minister also make a place that is called Nagar Nigam, where all garbage is installed. As we see in more popular city, Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, there is a huge mountain of garbage. So after coming that abhiyan, this is going. I think this is going correct, as Aryans tell us that this is not working in all over the world. So this is not about world. This is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, which is only used in our world. As we all know that other countries also followed this abhiyan. As we see in Russia, there is a city, there is a capital, Moscow. In for some before some days, President of Vladimir Putin come in India and see our roads and tell us, our Prime Minister, how can you manage to clean them. So this is also proud for us, and we all know which is our cleanest city is Indore. And after coming that abhiyan, our railway station, airports, and lots of transport things, cricket stadiums also, it's very clean. And we also refuse to throw any type of garbage into the roads. And there is dustbin installed in all over the streets. This abhiyan comes from the Nirmal Bharat Abhiyan, which is inaugurated by Congress in 2009. But it is not work. So after coming BJP, this is installed in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, as I told you on 2nd October for 2014. And after if I give my conclusion, that Swachh Bharat Abhiyan gives the awareness that we cannot we can clean our city, because if we can clean our city, then we also live free. We also take oxygen freely, as we all know that how much far pollution is going on. And so if we clean our city, then we live properly in our city. Thank you.